Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use your data to customize your Discord experience. So first things first, we're going to need to go to your Discord profile right now. We need to click on the bottom right corner on the icon with your little profile picture. That will bring us here. So here we have a lot of options, but we're going to go to the very top and we have account, set status, account, user profile, privacy and safety. We're going to go on privacy and safety. And we're just gonna scroll down through all these options till we get to how we use your data. So we have use data to improve Discord, and then we have use data to customize my Discord experience. And this setting allows us to use information such as who you talk to and what games you play to customize Discord for you. And all you have to do is flip the switch. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.